Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to adjust virtual network settings in Hyper-V. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To adjust virtual network settings in Hyper-V using the Virtual Switch Manager, here's a detailed guide covering external, internal, and private virtual switches. Accessing the Virtual Switch Manager, open Hyper-V Manager. Under the host name of your Hyper-V server, click on Virtual Switch Manager in the right-hand Actions pane. In the Virtual Switch Manager window, you can create and configure external, internal, and private virtual switches. External virtual switch, purpose, connects virtual machines, VMs, to the physical network, allowing them to communicate with other devices on the same network and access the internet. Use case, ideal for scenarios where VMs need full network access, including internet connectivity. Setup. In the Virtual Switch Manager, select New Virtual Network Switch, then select External and click Create Virtual Switch. Enter a name for the switch. Choose the physical network adapter to bridge the virtual switch. Optionally, check the box to allow the management operating system to share the network adapter. Click OK to save the configuration. Internal virtual switch, purpose, creates a network that allows communication between the host and VMs but does not provide access to the physical network or the internet. Use case, suitable for testing environments where VMs need to communicate with the host, but remain isolated from external networks. Setup. In the Virtual Switch Manager, select New Virtual Network Switch, then select Internal and click Create Virtual Switch. Enter a name for the switch. Click OK to save the configuration. Assign this switch to your VMs by configuring their network adapter settings. Private virtual switch, purpose, creates a network that allows communication only between VMs on the same host. The host and external networks are not accessible. Use case, ideal for isolated environments, where VMs need to communicate only with each other. Setup. In the Virtual Switch Manager, select New Virtual Network Switch, then select Private and click Create Virtual Switch. Enter a name for the switch. Click OK to save the configuration. Assign this switch to your VMs by configuring their network adapter settings. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.